Hi, I'm Ian Davey. I'm the owner of Victoria Cycles in Port Talbot. I do all repairs to all bikes, electric, and from modern back to the 1800s. Before I got involved with Prime Cymru, a few years ago I had major heart surgery. I was invalidated and just got signed off, and I was well overweight then. And I couldn't see no future after that, really. I went to the jobs fair and I met Debbie Price of Prime Cymru. And she was lovely, she was great. She pointed me in the right way, in the right direction, and I haven't looked back.
My name is Paul Pickering. I'm a Development Officer for Prime Cymru with the WCVA support and the European funding. Our project is there really to support clients with many different employment barriers. These could be lack of skills, long-term unemployment, health issues. And what we try and do is we get their confidence back, get their work skills up to date.
Well, Prime Cymru have helped me by providing the information I needed and the advice and the reassurance. What can I say? I can't praise them any better than that, really. I mean, it was essential to me, really. I mean, it really done me proud.
Because a lot of the clients really have been on projects for many years, just going round and round and not really getting anywhere. And I find that this project really is there to step out of that circle and move them closer with a more of a tailored one-to-one support. During the COVID-19 lockdown, we've had a lot of support from the WCVA. They've been fantastic. They support us all the way, and any difficulties and issues we have, especially with documentation, which we have to have as evidence for our outcomes, we've received really good guidance and support throughout the last 9 months. Projects like this are really important to our clients because we move them closer to employment, we move them closer to getting their confidence back.
I can't put it in here. I don't know what sort of words to use to say. I'm thankful that it was there, It feels great to be working again.